When it comes to maximizing space in mobile bathrooms, every inch matters. Whether you're working with a compact home, a manufactured property, or a smaller layout, finding ways to create a functional and comfortable bathroom can feel challenging. That's where walk-in shower designs truly stand out. These modern solutions are not only stylish but also incredibly practical, offering space-saving benefits that can transform even the smallest bathroom into a more open and efficient space. One of the most noticeable advantages of walk-in showers is their streamlined design. Unlike traditional tubs or bulky shower enclosures, walk-in showers eliminate unnecessary barriers and create a more open layout. Without large frames or high thresholds, the space instantly feels less crowded. This open concept helps your bathroom appear larger than it actually is, making it a great solution for mobile homes where square footage is limited. Another key benefit is the efficient use of available space. Walk-in showers can be customized to fit into corners, alcoves, or uniquely shaped areas that might otherwise go unused. This flexibility allows homeowners to make the most of their bathroom layout without sacrificing comfort. By removing the need for a bathtub, you free up valuable floor space that can be used for additional storage, improved movement, or even a more spacious vanity area. Walk-in showers also contribute to better accessibility and ease of movement. With low or no thresholds, they are easier to enter and exit compared to traditional shower tub combinations. This is especially helpful in smaller bathrooms where maneuvering around fixtures can feel cramped. The open design reduces obstacles, making your bathroom feel more functional and comfortable for everyday use. In addition to saving space, walk-in showers enhance the visual openness of your bathroom. Features like clear glass panels or frameless enclosures allow light to flow freely throughout the space. This creates a brighter, more inviting atmosphere and eliminates the boxed-in feeling that can come with traditional shower designs. The result is a bathroom that feels airy, modern, and more enjoyable to use. Storage is another area where walk-in showers can make a difference. Built-in niches or shelving can be incorporated directly into the shower walls, reducing the need for external storage units that take up additional space. These smart storage solutions keep your essentials organized and within reach while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. For homeowners concerned about maintenance, walk-in showers offer a practical advantage. With fewer corners, seams, and bulky components, they're easier to clean and maintain. This not only saves time but also helps keep your bathroom looking fresh and well kept. Durable materials like tile, stone, or modern composites ensure long-lasting performance with minimal upkeep. Walk-in showers also support a more modern and updated design aesthetic. Their clean lines and minimalist appearance can instantly elevate the look of your bathroom, making it feel more contemporary and stylish. Even in a mobile bathroom, this upgrade can create a high-end feel without requiring a full renovation. Another important benefit is how walk-in showers can improve overall functionality. By optimizing space and reducing clutter, they make daily routines more convenient. You'll have more room to move, better access to essentials, and a layout that simply works better for your lifestyle. Finally, installing a walk-in shower can add value to your home. Buyers often appreciate modern, space-efficient bathrooms, and a well-designed walk-in shower can be a strong selling point. It shows that the space has been thoughtfully updated to meet current needs and preferences. In the end, walk-in shower designs offer a smart solution for maximizing space in mobile bathrooms. From improved layout and accessibility to enhanced style and functionality, they provide a range of benefits that make a noticeable difference. If you're looking to make your bathroom feel larger, more efficient, and more enjoyable, a walk-in shower is an upgrade worth considering.